one of our best sellers in London. Located 0.9 miles from O2 Arena, the property is located in Canary Wharf, London. The 2-bedroom apartments have city views, while the 1-bedroom apartments have courtyard views. The apartments are 1.7 miles from Greenwich and 2 miles from Greenwich Park. Each apartment has a flat-screen TV. Tower Bridge is 2.5 miles from the apartments. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 3.1 miles away. Tower Hamlets is a great choice for travellers interested in riverside walks, bars and pubs. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.